Welcome to Food with Chetna. Before I start cooking, can I please request you to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell button so that you get a notification every time I cook a new recipe. Today I am making butternut squash, chickpea and spinach soup from Chetna's Healthy Indian. I haven't cooked from my books for a few weeks, so I thought I will change that because this soup is just perfect for this weather. It's warming, it's filling, it's comforting, it's everything you want in a soup. To start, I am going to chop the whole butternut squash into small 1-inch pieces. And just a little bit of oil, salt, mix it well and into the oven at 180°C for 45 minutes. We want it to be fully soft and lovely. Now, while that is cooking, that's lovely roasting in the oven, I'm going to get started with the other bits. And for that, I'm going to have 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil to start with and 2 medium-sized smallish onions or 1 large onion. I love lots of onion in my recipes. As soon as they start to get a bit of color, that's when I'm going to add the spices. It's all 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. And now, simple. We add 1 tin of chopped tomatoes. All of it just goes in. And also 1 tin of chickpeas with the water, everything, it all goes in. And an additional 400 ml of boiling water. Just a nice, good old mix. And then we're going to cover and cook this on low to medium heat for half an hour, 30 minutes. What you want is, I know the chickpeas are cooked and the tomatoes really are cooked, but you really want all the flavors to marry and just come together. So 100 grams of spinach leaves goes in. Squash is done and add all of it straight in. And as always, a quick taste test just to see if we've got the right seasoning. Oh, it needs 1/4 teaspoon more of salt and maybe 1/2 teaspoon of sugar just to balance the sour from the tomatoes. This would serve 4 easily. It's really nice and thick. So if you want it a bit more runny and a bit more liquid, just add some boiling water to this. I'm serving mine with a little sprinkle of chili flakes and just some sourdough on the side. And here it is, butternut squash, butternut squash, chickpea and spinach soup from Healthy Indian. You can find this book on Amazon in most countries. So if you want a written recipe, it's in the book. Otherwise, you can make it from the video. And it's so nice with a little piece of bread. You can have it with chapati or rice as well, I have to say, because I've had it and it tastes really good. It's just so lovely and yeah, it's just delicious. You can also serve it with a dollop of yogurt on top. Oh, so nice. So please do give this a go. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and I'll see you back here next week for a brand new